Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can trim a video in Capcut. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Capcut, and from Capcut you can launch a project that you've been working on. So I'm going to open the sample project, and once you've opened Capcut, now there are two ways you can cut or trim a video. The first thing is that you hover on the video and you click on it, and once you click on it, you're going all the way to the right or the left, and you're going until you see this arrow. You're going to drag it all the way to the place you want it to stop. So in my case, let's say over here. So as you can see now, I've trimmed the video to just be 1 minute and 21 seconds. Okay, but there is also an easier and faster way, which is basically this tool over here. As you can see, split. Once you have it over here, you can split the video in any part you would want. This is more precise. So let's say I want to split the video onto right over here. So I go all the way over here on the slideshow and I click. As you can see, I split the video into half. Okay, if you want to add a transition or something. Okay, now this has a shortcut which is called B. Once you click on B, as you can see, I can trim the video, and if I click on A, now I have my cursor. And if I click onto the trimmed part that I don't want, and I click on delete, it is going to get deleted. But if you can just simply right click, and then you're going to click on delete. So those are two ways where you can cut a video or trim away a video that you don't want. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.